Looking for a safe and sturdy perch platform for your small bird or pet? The Pack Bird Perch Platform from Suruikei offers a smart solution designed to fit perfectly in cage corners without taking up extra space. With 2 sizes included, it's ideal for a variety of small animals like parakeets, cockatiels, budgies, and even small rodents. Each perch is crafted from natural wood, polished smooth to protect your pet's feet from injury. Unlike glued stands, these platforms use screws for assembly, making them more durable and stable. This means your bird or small pet can enjoy a secure place to rest, play, and exercise without the risk of wobbling or falling. Installation is straightforward. Simply screw the platform into place using the included metal wing nuts and bolts. The design allows for easy hanging inside the cage, ensuring the perch stays firmly put. You won't have to worry about it slipping or coming loose during playtime. These perches aren't just for resting. They offer a cozy spot for climbing, paw grinding, and relaxing, which helps reduce boredom and encourages natural activity. Your pet will appreciate having a dedicated playground that supports both physical exercise and mental stimulation. The package includes 2 platforms, one large, 6.69 by 6.69 inches, and one small, 5.12 by 5.12 inches, plus a bird shoe toy to keep your feathered friend entertained. This combo makes feeding, playing, and resting easier and more enjoyable for both you and your pet. If you want a reliable, space-saving perch that enhances your pet's cage environment, this set is worth a look. Its natural materials, sturdy construction, and thoughtful design combine to deliver a safe and fun spot for your small animals. Ready to upgrade your pet's playground? The Suruikei Bird Perch Platform offers what you need: comfort, safety, and versatility all in one package. Try it when you're ready to give your pet a better place to rest and play.